Hi guys. So look at how fabulous, how beautiful. So this is Hello Lovely. Remember guys, this is the original. So for those of you who picked up the Flutter Bloom paper, you can make this album, this version. But this is with the Project 365 Valentine's Day collection. She printed these in the 8x8. All right, so you'll notice the prints are a little bit smaller than the 12x12s that you can pick up. So remember, she printed these off of the digital collection in the 8x8 size. Let me move some of this stuff out of the way so you can see how pretty. All right, so she made this cute, super duper cute heart here. So you guys can see it's a broken heart, right? I absolutely love it. She did a little bit of collaging with the embellishments on the cover. She did a beautiful wrap style on the album spine. And of course, you paper piece your Hello Lovely binding because that's the way it's designed. All right, so let's take a look at the inside. So she added some of the photo mats here that I shared with you guys in the project folder, in the final review project folder. Look at how gorgeous. I just love this. I always say the camera never does the paper any justice. But look at that beautiful teal in there. How gorgeous is that? It's not a complete, it's not teal all the way. It's like a cross between it's a little more minty than teal. Okay, it's really gorgeous. And then she did a little insertion point here. Here's one of the embellishments that you get in the kit. Love how she kept everything nice and simple. For photos. Look at how fabulous the layering of the embellishments. Just love. She did a little insertion point here. And look at how cute this photo mat here. So really, really fun. Absolutely fun. So this one, again, Kimberly Jones, guys. Kimberly Jones did this album. And this is the Hello Lovely tutorial. So if you want this project, you want to get the Hello Lovely tutorial. This is my binding. Okay, I want you to notice flat. Okay, I want you to notice the flat. Look at how cute. Look at how cute. So because Kimberly had the digital collection, she was able to print the embellishments out larger, smaller, whatever suited her design. Okay, her design needs, which is what's really nice about having the digital collection. Look at those lips. They're so cute. I love the little to and from. The photo mat size, the page is sized for a portrait and a landscape 4x6. Look at how cute. We've got some insertion points here, some embellishments on the page, another insertion point here. Portrait photo mat. Here she decided to do an extension of the page here with some photo mats. So I love extending the page. It's just a good thing to do. And here is one of the pocket cards. Look at how adorable this is. Absolutely adorable. I love that she printed the, hold on before I rip things apart, how she printed the, look at how cute. The file folder, teeny weeny weeny. Teeny weeny weeny. Absolutely adorable. This goes here. Let's put that back there before I forget. I love the conversation hearts. How cute are those conversation hearts? Adorable. Love, absolutely adore. Love this embellishment. Love it. And here she did something fun with the photo mat page extensions. Okay, so the photo mat page extension on this one, we had that pull out. Excuse me. And then she cut the photo mat into what would look like an envelope flap. And she did a closure right there. Look at how cute that is. And you've got an opportunity for a little insertion point right there if you wanted it. All right. So here she did some really fine slits in the design, paper design, so we can have some fun insertion points here. As you can see, look at how adorable that is. And we got a couple more flips. So this embellishment, she enlarged it. What I love about this collection, that it's not like, the embellishments are in your face Valentine's Day, absolutely, right? But the papers are so beautiful that you can use them for all sorts of other things. The album is 6x6 in size, okay? 6x6 in size. And there is the back of it. Look at how fabulous this turned out. Just absolutely stunning, guys. It's beautiful. So Project 365 paper collection. This is the Valentine's Day selection, okay? So, and the album is Hello Lovely. There's some larger albums coming, so you will see. And one of the larger albums has a storage box too, so you're gonna love that. Kimberly's rendition of Hello Lovely. She used the gorgeous Valentine's Day papers from the Project 365 first quarter collection. It's really sweet. It turned out really, really, really sweet. Okay, bye guys.